vagueness. Hold on. Duality means rigid distinctions between mind and matter. Mind and body, my apologies. Did I say mind and matter? Mind and body. Monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are... Hold on. So, but you end up playing basketball and becoming famous. So things don't work out in the way in which we anticipated, but you still end up having favorable and advantageous outcomes. I found this book a couple days ago. And it's like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15 minutes first impression. And the stuff that... Listen. So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding lines... Language, man. It's a vibration, it's an energy, it's a... How would I put this into perspective? I don't think